ready? Looks like I'm not the first person to do that.
No, it's like it's out of there. You may as well just go straight.
Yeah, I know. Oh. Wow, these guys are fast. Why do I invite them? Invite them to get shown up. That's why. Whoa, that mud was slippery.
Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, you guys are fast.
That was a hard one to keep up with that pace.
Damn brute. He got me. All right. My finger's getting tired already.
You did that better than both of us.
Yeah. Did I?
We both tried the highline on the rock and like almost died.
Really?
I was like falling back into the hole. Yeah. Like there's no way.
I
stopped you to watch you struggle.
I got stuck on that little root. When I hit it, it just like got me.
It's always those silly little ones. You're like,
it is.
Fuck, just whoop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to copy the guys that know what they're doing. Almost ate shit. Keep on.
I hit neutral. I was like, fuck, I can't get away with this. I don't know.
You pulled such a me just then.
I was like, I'm high-sided, there's nothing I can do. No.
That's a good parking spot, bud.
I'll figure it out.
Bop, bop. Okay, this. Oh! This is honestly such a fun little trail. Except the end here is a little sketchy. There's a tree that wants to send you straight into the river. There's the river. There's the tree. Little duck. What's he doing? Oh. Said it before. Say it again. I hate him. In a loving way. You know how it is. Oh, you f***ing You're a piece of shit.
I got his face too, didn't I?
Yeah.